Hello everyone, welcome to RK Collections. This is Sushmita. If you are watching us for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and do click on bell icon to get notified immediately so that you can watch our latest collections up to date. So in today's episode, we are going to see printed organza sarees and soft silk sarees. These are very beautiful collection which we have got in today's episode. So if you would like to purchase these lovely sarees, please follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Please check the code which is being displayed on the screen while showcasing the saree. Step number 2. Please click on the link which is given in the description box of the particular code that will directly take you to the page of that particular saree. Step number 3. Please add your favorite saree to the cart and do check out. Please note, cash on delivery and WhatsApp purchase is not available at RK Collections. If you have any queries and questions, please reach out to our customer support team. We would be glad to assist you. You may even mail us at info@rkcollections.in. Let's get into the episode. So this is the first pattern in today's episode, organza printed sarees, and this is the first color combination in first pattern, off-white with royal blue. Such a classy and subtle combination. If you check the top portion, we've got this 3-inch zari running throughout the border with royal blue selvage. This is the top portion. If you check the middle portion, we can see this nice floral print running throughout the middle portion, throughout the saree. This has also got this foil gold print running along with it on the top of the print. And we've got this double color flowers throughout the saree in greens and blues. This is the body. If you check the bottom border is same as the top border in silver zari running throughout the border with blue selvage. Let's check the pallu. The pallu is a classy, nice pallu, a tie and dye pallu in greens and blues. This is it. Let's check the blouse now. We've got very pretty blouse in shibori pattern with blues and greens, a silk blouse in the shibori pattern, and on the top of it we can see this very pretty sequence embroidery running throughout the blouse. This is the blouse, priced at $9.10. We've got lovely color combinations in this pattern as well. Let's check them now. So let's check the color combinations available in this first pattern. The second color combination is this nice classy light peach with pinks and oranges. This is the saree, and this has got this very pretty blouse in oranges and pinks in shibori style with sequence embroidery. This is the blouse, priced at $9.10. Let's check the other color combination now. This is a classy powder blue saree with blues and greens. This has also got a very nice shibori style blouse with sequence embroidery. This is the blouse, priced at $9.10. And these sarees are perfect to carry for your offices and for daily wear. And this price is wonderful price for that. The next color combination is this nice pastel yellow with yellows and red maroons. This is a saree. This has got the shibori style blouse in yellows and red maroons, priced at $9.10. Let's check the last color combination in today's pattern. Nice cream with pinks and yellows. Such a classic color combination. This has got this pinks and yellows shibori blouse with sequence embroidery. Very lovely, priced at $9.10. Generally we see this kind of organza sarees in embroidered patterns with kanchi style borders. So this time we've got this nice subtle prints. Such a lovely price for this kind of saree. If you would like to purchase, please check the code which is being displayed on the screen and buy accordingly. Let's check the other pattern in this episode. This is the second pattern in today's episode, soft silk sarees in Banarasi weave. Bottle green with maroon red, such a beautiful color combination. Let's check the top portion now. The top portion is in contrast reds. This has got these geometric patterns and floral creeper patterns running throughout the border. This is the border. If we check the middle portion is in the base of bottle green, has got these tiny triangle patterns woven in gold zari running throughout the saree. This is the body. This is very intricate and beautiful weave which we've got in this body. If we check the bottom border is in contrast maroon red, has got multiple patterns in this border We've got flower creeper patterns, geometry patterns running along with it. This is the bottom border. If you check the pallu is in contrast maroon red. This has got these nice geometric weaves, a checkered pattern weave woven in gold zari throughout the pallu, and we've got this contrast green tassels at the bottom. Let's check the blouse now. We've got this pretty contrast brocade blouse in red. Priced at 1360. We've got beautiful and very vibrant color combinations in the second pattern as well. Let's check them now. So the second color combination is bright and beautiful lemon yellow with copper sulphate blue. Nice combination, priced at 1360. The next color combination is classy purple with parrot green, priced at 1360. This has also got these geometric patterns in the body. Let's check the other color combo now. This is very rich traditional color combination of neon green with Rani pink, priced at 1360. Let's check the other color combination now. This is same as the saree which we have seen just before. Rani pink with neon green, priced at 1360. And the next color combination is very classy brown with turmeric yellow, priced at 1360. Let's check the other color combination. This is a bright color combination, blood red with leafy green, priced at 1360. This has got same borders, short and long borders either side. This is the last color combination in today's second pattern, navy blue with lemon yellow, bright and beautiful color combination, priced at 1360. These are all lovely color combinations in soft silk sarees. If you would like to purchase them, please check the codes which are being displayed on the screen and click on the links which we have given in the description box. You may even log on to www.rkcollections.in. So these are the beautiful color combinations in Banarasi soft silk sarees. If you would like to shop them, please check the code which are being displayed in the screen and click on the link which we have given in the description box. You may even log on to www.rkcollections.in. If you would like to visit the store and shop, we have 5 stores across Hyderabad. We have 3 stores in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad, 1 in the name of RK Selections. We have 4th store in Dilshuk Nagar near Konak Theatre. We have 5th store in Kottapet near Victoria Memorial Metro Station. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.